Hello, my lovely students. How are you doing? Today, in this session, I'm going to talk about what makes a computer computer and what is an input device. Okay, then let's start. Hello, I'm Mr. Computer. I'm pretty sure you have seen me everywhere in your lives. People always build tools to solve the problems. Tools like hammer, knife are innovations that help people with manual work. My master Charles was thinking if a machine could be designed and be to help people with the thinking what they do without manual work. So he wanted to make a thinking machine. However, he decided all the machines should perform the same cycle of three tasks. That cycle is called as IPO cycle, input, process, output cycle. What makes a computer a computer? All the computers perform below four tasks. Take input from the outside world, store the information on the memory, process the data, and output the results back to the outside world. Modern computers are nothing with the old cranky machines. However, still all the computers perform these four tasks. Ta-da! That makes a computer a computer. This is a block diagram of working of a computer system. Input devices. Input is the stuff the world does that makes the computer do the stuff. Human takes input from the outside world as senses. You have eyes, ears, hands to input into your body. Likewise, we have input devices that take input inside to my body from the outside world. You can tell the computer all the work that you do through these input devices. You can tell me what to do with the keyboard. You can tell me what to do with the microphone. You can tell me what to do with the joystick. There are so many ways that you can tell me what to do with these different input devices. Input devices. Input devices perform two tasks. Take input from the outside world, and it helps my brain, CPU, central processing unit, to understand the physical information coming from your world as my language, that is called machine language or binary language. The information that is related to your body or the information that is related to any other materials is called as physical information. I'm in a digital world. I can't understand your physical information. I can only understand two status, on and off. On represents as 1, off represents as 0. That is my digital language or binary language. You can tell me what to do with the keyboard, joystick, microphone. However, input devices should take that information and it should convert the physical information into a binary number or a digital number. Now that digital number, binary number, or the zeros and ones come into my body. After that information come into my body, there should be a space to store that. For an example, in your world, you need space to store maybe your favorite toy, maybe your favorite book, or even bigger things like a dining table. You need physical space. Likewise, I need also space to store. However, since I'm in a digital world, our space is called as memory space. Now all the information is stored in the memory space. Now CPU is ready to execute these things. CPU takes information one by one and executes one by one. It runs all the information and the processed data or the result should be again stored on the memory space. Now I'm going to put that result out from my body through output devices. I need the help from output devices to convert that process result into that it is in binary number, so I need to convert back into a physical result and put it out from my body. That's pretty easy. Excuse me, I forgot to tell you something. I run on electricity. All the computers run on electricity. Look at this. There are so many binary numbers are flying inside my body. It's like the blood flowing through your body. Okay, now I need to stop. I have covered what makes a computer and what is an input device. I'd love to meet you in my next video with some input devices. Till then, stay safe